So this is a merge cube, which allows for a 3D virtual experience. So today you're going to do what's called a 3D lab. So you do labs in science class. This one's going to be in 3D. So you're going to work with a partner. You're going to get a cube and you're going to explore. We have a couple of labs for you guys to go through. Look at one of the ones is the rotation of the Earth. So there are several elements to it. That's the speaker reads it aloud. This one takes it outside and does the read aloud feature. Okay? So you're going to read through and it will say an activity. So if I hit this play button, it's going to turn on the camera. It's not recording right now, it's just using the camera. So now when I hold the cube in front of it, whoa, yeah. So I am now holding what? So you can pinch and zoom to make things larger or smaller. So I now have it the entire solar system. So if I wanted to tap on a particular planet, it's going to tell me what it is. If I hit the information, it's going to give me a little bit more information about it. So I picked Saturn, okay? So how it works is however I turn it and manipulate it, that's how it recognizes what you're doing. So I'm going to show you another example. What am I holding? Okay? So when you see an item like this where it has multiple parts, that's if I touch on it, it's going to change what's happening on the screen. Okay? A white dwarf and a black dwarf. So notice that when I turn it and manipulates it, I can make it smaller or larger and so forth. Okay? What did this just become? So you notice as I'm holding it, I can rotate it. I'm talking about what it's talking about Earth's tilt. I can actually manipulate it. I can look to see the different parts that I've got for poles, I've got the equator, all of that. And you notice it's also still rotating. Okay? So you can go through and you're going to explore. There's a couple of different activities. If it gives you additional instructions, so I'll show another one. So there's a couple of different ones, all right? So now this one, I can move it closer. I can manipulate it by touching on the screen. Notice it's showing time, and I can adjust, is it real time? Or is it what's like for a 1 year to a minute, like showing you how quickly things rotate. Okay? So there's a couple of different activities that you're going to go through. We're going to do the rotation of the Earth. Okay? We're going to do stars in the sky. Okay? And we're also going to do the Earth's atmosphere. Those are the three. I will make sure to remind you of those three. The goal is you're going to go through and explore it. I want you to learn some stuff. So you need to read. It's playing with it. It's really cool. I want you to make some observations. Okay? Then you're going to use this sheet with your partner to collect 3 truths and a lie. What that means is you're going to find 3 facts in those 3 labs that we go through. So basically it could be one per experience, or if you really get a lot of good information in one experience, that's fine. You're going to do 3 that are true and 1 that is false. The goal is you want to try and trick your classmate by seeing if they were paying attention. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay? So you're going to do that. You're going to write these down. You get 1 sheet per group. Okay? You're working in pairs. You're going to fill it out together. So it's a team effort. So one person is not going to write down everything. You need to have a discussion about what's in there. And I want you to not, I'll repeat, do not label it and say this one's the lie. Because the goal is that you want it to be able to be something someone read it, they could figure it, they would have to figure it out on their own. The last step after you've gone through your 3 experiences, you've written your 3 truths and a lie, is you're going to record a Flipgrid. Okay, how many of you guys have used Flipgrid before? You got 1 person that's used Flipgrid. Alright, so how you record Flipgrid, and I'll have the code up there, but Flipgrid is not, it's got the plus symbol right here, so I will hit plus. So it asks you to share your 3 truths and a lie. Don't tell us which is the lie. Okay? So you'll hit this plus. It opens up the camera. Okay? So if you're like me and you don't really love being on camera, guess what? You've written down your facts. If you want to show this instead, I can turn the camera around. And you and your teammate can literally just hold it up and say, look at our facts. Fact 1 says, fact 2. But remember, you're not telling us which one is the lie. So don't write on here in big bold print that says this is the lie, because the goal is you're trying to see how well you're paying attention. So when I turn it back around, okay? So now I'm selfie style, so I'm going to use my stand so you understand you can use it here. So now I've got some features here. I can accessorize, I can write some text. So if I do this, I can say, all right, I want to stay here real quick. I'm just going to type it. Blue. So what was our activity called? 3 what? Truth and a lie. Alright, so I can type that in. A line. Okay, that looks pretty cool. And I can move it. I can move my little part right here. If I want to have that be my title, and I could have picked another color. Accessorize it. I can annotate over it. I can add some stickers. I can mark it up. You can explore those options if you want. But right now I'm just going to record. So the other good thing is you've got your stand. You put on your stand. So today I learned about the stars and blah, 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 blah. So you can say what you're going to say. I don't want to give away any good information, so now I pause. And then you have to think about it. You're like, wait, I got one more. Oh, the second thing that was, I think this is true, but you tell me if you think it's false. You let me know. Okay? So I can record a couple of clips, then I go next. When I go next, it plays it back. All right? It also, did you notice how it also, because I paused, I have 2 clips? So say I did them in a different, I wanted to change my order, I could actually grab this and move this to be my first clip if I wanted to, okay? So if you wanted to rearrange the order of them, because you're like, oh man, I did the last one, it was kind of obvious that it was the lie, so I need to reverse the order, you can do that, okay? So once you do that, then I'm gonna hit next, and it says take a selfie, okay? So you take a selfie, you can accessorize your selfie if you want, because there's stickers. So I want to put myself in some really cool shades, or Fliggrid hat. I think today I'm thinking I want a Fliggrid hat. There we go. Cover up my hair. I'm having a bad hair day. So there we go. All right. So now I've got that, and then I just hit submit. Okay. Now it's going to ask you if you might have to log into your Google account. If it comes up and it says it's not your name, change it to show your name so we know which group you're in. Does that make sense? So I'm not Jayla. I'm actually in Jayla's account. Didn't mean to be. I'm Jen. I can add the third, so I know it's third period. And then I hit submit, and voila, it goes. Okay? Questions on Flipgrid. When you get to that step, if you need a little refresher, you just say, Miss Hall, I need a little help. I'm about to do my first Flipgrid, and I need your help with that. Okay? Loading. Got it? All right.
Stars in the sky. Okay. How well are you understanding? Show me what the one. Go back to the binoculars. Go back to the binoculars.
I need to be quiet. I'm not busy. Do y'all work?